how y'all doing? Thank you so much for tuning in to today's vlog. If you're new here, please like, share, comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Now I'm about to have breakfast. I'm at work. Let me show you. Let me see. As you can see, the phone is currently ringing. Let me show you my breakfast for this morning. So let me show you today. So I'm at work. As I said, I normally take my breakfast, but I didn't take anything this morning. I didn't take anything with me this morning, so I bought, this is the cheese dip. Can you see it clearly? Yeah, sorry about that. So this morning, there's no food on campus today. There is absolutely no food. This is what I could get. So I'm having a hot dog with ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise, with some tortillas, and as I said before, this is the cheese dip. So with, of course, my drink. So I'll check in back with you a little later. Leave work in maybe half an hour, and then I'm going to travel with the work bus to work bus home. Then I'm going to go with my sister and maybe my little niece, and we're going to get something to eat for dinner. Something about taking you guys along with me. I'm not sure as yet. We'll see how the day goes, how it goes, because I'm not even sure if the bus is taking us home today. I'm so tired, but we'll see what happens. See you when I'm going home. I'm finally on the bus, y'all. I'm so tired. I had a busy day at work. Guess what? I'm the only one here. As you guys can see, it's an empty bus. Not even the driver is here. I guess these people don't know that it's time to go home. I have plans, and it is raining. It's currently raining. Hi guys, good morning. I'm heading to the supermarket, and I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm not getting much. I just need some stuff because I felt like making pancakes this morning. I have the pancake mix and everything, but I don't have any syrup and a little stuff, so I'm going to get them, and I'm taking my niece and my sister along with me.
Hi, my name is Chloe.
And this is Ashley. Can you see her? Yeah.
Hi, my name is Chloe.
So I'll see you when I get there. So here we go. want some fruits in my pancake. Want fruits in my pancake?
We're at the supermarket having fun.
Do you guys know about egg? What's the best type of egg to buy? Because I don't like these types. Now I'm looking for milk. Milk for my cereal. Found it. I don't know which Pringles to take. Should I take cheddar? Should I take honey? Should I go with this one? Well, I like this one. I always like this one. So let's take this one. All my stuff. So now we're waiting on our taxi to come back. Finish shopping. I am tired and I'm going home to make my pancakes because I want my pancakes and eggs and our franks, right? You want pancake, egg and franks?
Yeah.
We have not eaten yet and it is now 11:16. So she is definitely hungry. These are our bags. See, these are our bags. 3 bags. I think we did well. Our see you guys later. If I don't get the chance to do an outro, let me do it now. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I know it was all over the place, but I couldn't record at certain times. So, well, as time goes by, I'll get better at recording. So just bear with me. Please comment what you think, what I could have done better, all of that. So, thanks for watching ShanDizzle's live vlog today, and we'll see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye. Look at my pancakes, guys. Just look at my pancakes. Look at them. Puppy.